Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a new account for Bigo Live from your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar, you're going to type in Bigo. So click on the first link that you see from Bigo.tv or Bigo Live. So this is their homepage, and to sign up for an account, you're gonna look in the right side of the page and click on login right there. So now we can sign up through this part right there. You're gonna click on it. Now, from which country you are, you're gonna just choose your country, right, and your phone number. Right. So a password, and you're gonna click on send right there for a verification code on your phone number. So just click on send. So a captcha will appear. Just proceed and follow the prompts until it is completed. Then a verification code is sent to your phone or that particular phone number. Let's check it and put it right there and click on sign up. There we go. So now I am logged in, and this is my new Bigo account. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.